This video is about removing the browser pop-ups and intrusive web push notifications that are coming from the site Blockedvideos.xyz. Blockedvideos.xyz is a malicious site. It may unexpectedly attack your browser and try to make you click on a special allow button, supposedly to help you continue watching some content. Some people think that they can do it and they mistakenly click on allow button. Once again, you should not do that. Don't click on that allow button. Otherwise, if you click on that button, you will keep receiving plenty of advertisements that may be attacking your screen as random push notifications. So if you mistakenly click on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings. Go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the websites that are allowed to send notifications and remove these junk sites from the list. In order to make sure that the system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, consider scanning your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and begin researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.